Hey guys, um, you're you're going with me now. We're playing around with the force, little bit further skills on using DOM and JavaScript and CSS, collaborating them to get a bit more skills. Okay, so for now on, we're gonna try to change this each one elements, and we're gonna set a font size, big font size, about 10 REM, and instead of using JavaScript DOM itself to set out a font size for this hello, for this h1, we're gonna be using a new feature, which is classList. So first of all, we're gonna call the h1 first. So type document and then query selector, and then h1, and I literally have tried this before, so it's up here, but I'm gonna type it again so it not really confused for you where it comes from. So we're gonna type classList, which is the new feature that we're gonna be using. And so the classList have a function to add class or remove a class, or to applying, switching on and off the class that we're gonna be applying that class on our elements. And we can set the style for that class in our CSS instead of just using this console, which means we create right away the style, manipulate the style inside our DOM or inside our JavaScript. So we're gonna we're gonna make the style sheet, our style sheet, remain within our CSS. So we're gonna add classList. We're gonna add a new class. Let's call it big. Close it off, and then add a semicolon, hit save. So we're gonna have to take it out on this big. It is successfully edit our big class successfully added on our HTML code. So we're gonna head over to our CSS, and I'm gonna make a new style for this big. I'm gonna set the font size equal to 10 rem, semicolon, hit save. Okay, let's try it out. Yeah, so we're gonna hit enter, and our style are successfully edited, but there are some catches that I got that I skipped. That is just one. Actually, it needs to be refreshed first. When we adding this style, we have to save these changes and then refresh to our code, and then we start to adding the big class before. So the order is that adding style CSS changes first, and after that adding classList add, and we're gonna remove that by changes the word add using remove. What's wrong with that? Oh, okay. Remove, or simply we can toggle it, which means we can switch it on and off. So if we hit enter and the value is gonna be true, and if we do it again, the value goes to false, and so we switched off this big class, so it's not applied to our code. That's it.